I'm going to quickly show you how to convert a 2D topographical survey which has text levels that are split into the whole number and the fractional part. So typically when you have a 2D survey you will have text that look very much like this, where you have a single text entity that contains a few numbers and a decimal place, and you'll have some sort of cross or block insert or point somewhere near that text to represent where it should be inserted, and obviously then you'll have multiple of those all over your drawing. Sometimes, and in some situations, you will find you'll get text which have been split into multiple parts. So if I go into my additional tools and entity properties, if I hover over this one, you can see this is its own individual text entity, and this is a separate text entity for the fractional part here. So we've got the whole number and the fractional part split out into two different texts. And Site3D has a system that will interpret these as a single text level. So the way we do that is by going to our 2D to 3D converter, hitting the advanced and ticking the use split text option. Once you've done that, just hit convert now and it'll go through and it'll work out and interpret the survey based upon that text information throughout the whole area. As you can see here, we have our entire 3D survey done and converted. So we still have the system that would actually interpret all of these levels here. And you can see we still have it using the old text style, and also doing it intelligently. You can see it is actually taking the level text here and assigning it across. Because if I move my mouse over here down the status bar down the bottom right, you can see the X, Y, and Z levels here. And this is coming up as where are we here? 57.26, and this one is coming out as 57.32. Yep. So they have correctly and intelligently worked out, because obviously this point here is actually closer to this text rather than this one, but it's worked out that it shouldn't have assigned it here. It's assigned it to this one, and this one has then assigned to that one, and it has done it intelligently for us. And it's used that same kind of sort of intelligence to work out how to assign every single text on here in just a matter of a couple of seconds. Thank you.